Kahit po ba walang exercise basta mag-low carb papayat po? Yes po, papayat kayo kahit walang exercise, low carb lang. Pero dapat bang hindi mag-exercise? Hindi rin po. I will not suggest na hindi kayo mag-exercise. Exercising is a way to improve yung inyong body composition, number 1. Number 2, way to improve yung inyong functionality. Number 3, sustainability. Kapag hindi ginagawa ng tamang pag-low carb at walang exercise, alaring sustainability. Yung iba, unti-unti nang nagiging fluffy ulit. Ano po? That's because your metabolism is changing. So, very, very important ng exercise. It's important for longevity, so pampahaba ng buhay, anti-cancer, for immune system, memory, functionality, sustainability ng weight, glow. Yes, papayat ka kahit walang exercise. Pag low carb ka lang, pero I will not recommend na huwag ka mag-exercise dahil sa lahat ng rason na nabanggit ko po.